Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the common issue where the print spooler service keeps stopping on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing the problem of the print spooler service unexpectedly stopping on your Windows 11 computer, there is a straightforward solution. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing the word Services. Once the Services application appears, click on it to open. In the Services window, scroll down the list until you find the Print Spooler service. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, locate the Startup Type setting. Change this setting from Manual or Automatic, Delayed Start, to Automatic. After selecting Automatic, click the Apply button and then click OK. Now, right-click on the Print Spooler service again. If the service is not currently running, click Start. If it is already running, click Restart to ensure it is functioning correctly. Applying these changes should resolve the issue and prevent the print spooler from stopping further. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.